Welcome and welcome back to All Things Home on a Budget. On this channel, I style, refresh, clean, organize my home. I even have cooking videos as well as shop with me's and shopping hauls. But all of these things are definitely on a budget. Well, today we are going to be refreshing the top of my refrigerator, as you have seen in the thumbnail. And I'm going to take this cute little truck and create a simple, very simple floral arrangement in the back of it. So if you're interested in seeing this quick little DIY and then moving right on to showing you how I styled it, then you keep on watching. Now, these cute little herb picks were from Dollar General. They're $1 each for each stem, and I absolutely love these. I have styled these in my space for probably about 2 years now. And when they come out in the spring flower garden or flower, I forgot what it's called, in Dollar General, I always pick these up because you can do so much with it. Now I'm just going to add a sign because this is some thyme right here. And that's going to be it, y'all. So easy, simple, but it's going to look so cute in my kitchen. If you have enjoyed this video today, go ahead and consider joining the family. This is the type of content that we bring. I'm going to be styling my kitchen very, very soon, so you have to stay tuned. And if you like this video, thumbs the video up, and we can chat it up about what it is that you do like. Now, I have a Noah Decor series on my other channel where I created so many amazing high-end DIYs to style in my space. So these styling videos are on the way. So let's get into it and finish watching.